A magic loop or magic ring is a common way to start crocheting things in the round. It's a fan's favorite for starting amigurumi. Amigurumi is the term for crocheted plush toys. When you're done with magic ring, there is no hole in the center. Now let's learn how to make a magic ring. Take the yarn and pick up the yarn tail with your right hand. Make a circle with an intersection X. The circles face down the yarn. Take the intersection X of the circle. Take your left palm and face to you. Wrap the yarn around your pinky. Then wrap the yarn over your index finger from back to the front. Pinch the intersection X of the circle with your left hand. Notice that you need to keep pinching the intersection X. Insert hook into the circle from right to the left. The hook is in front of the working yarn that draped around your index finger. Let's yarn over. Yarn over is to bring your hook down below and behind the yarn. The tip of the hook is grabbing onto the yarn. Pull the yarn from back to front of the circle. One loop is on the hook. Yarn over again. Pull the yarn through the loop that already on your hook. If the loop on the hook is more bigger than the hook, you could pull your finger away from you to make it small. There is one chain stitch. Now you made the magic ring. But we still need some single crochet stitches in this circle. Now let's stick some single crochet stitches into this magic ring. Insert hook into the circle. The tip of the hook is facing you. Yarn over. Pull the yarn from back to front of the circle. Now 2 loops are on the hook. Yarn over again. Pull the yarn through both 2 loops on your hook, making sure that you're not twisting any of the yarn as you do this. Now 1 loop is on the hook. That is the first single crochet stitch in your magic ring. A little quick tip here: sometimes people don't know where the first stitch of their magic ring is when they have to start crocheting the second round. So if you have a stitch marker, I would recommend pausing here and using the stitch marker to mark that stitch you just made. Flip your piece to look at the rim of the circle. Look at the loop on your hook. That loop traces back into a V. So stick your stitch marker under that V, only under those 2 strands of yarn. Now repeat 5 more times for a total of 6 stitches. Insert hook into the circle. Yarn over. Pull the yarn from back to front of the circle. Now 2 loops are on the hook. Yarn over again. Pull the yarn through both 2 loops on your hook. You made second single crochet stitch. Keep repeating 4 more times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6 single crochet in magic ring. But it doesn't look like a circle. Now let go and put down the hook. It's the magic part. Hold on to the stitches we made, the top of stitches these V. Then hold the yarn tail with the other hand. Pull these 2 sides apart. Maybe pull harder than you imagine. Pull it tight until there is no hole in the middle of the magic ring. Now it looks like a circle. When you start round 2, because you put a stitch marker in the first stitch of the magic ring, you know this V that had stitch marker is the spot where you put your hook to start the next round.